today's vlog will be about K-Vibe Festa. It's a concert and I'm here at the studio to watch it. And we received really huge goodie bag and let's see what's inside. So inside our goodie bag will be a mask, clothes, more clothes and shoes, stickers, pens, latte, conde latte, dalgona making kit, and Imagine Your Korea umbrella. Hi! So we're gonna have a stage tour now. And this is Bestie from Thailand.
Yes, Bestie입니다.
This is how backstage looks like. Ellie from the Squid game, he's rehearsing now.
I'm a beauty and a beast.
우리 할래 I don't mind 오보니까 산타 모니카 목포 나 너무 놀라지 않게 밤새도록 고민했어
있잖아 baby just only you Next level 코스모 애탈 때까지
어찌 그렇게 빛
대답해줬다면 괜찮아 솔직하게 보여줘봐.
So the concert just ended and we're on the way home. By the way, this is Chris from Squid Game.
7-6.
So